How to fix Shopify domain or DNS error. Now to get started, simply just log in onto your Shopify dashboard and then navigate to the domain settings by clicking on settings on the bottom left and opening up the domains tab right here. Now by default this is probably going to look slightly different on your end. However, most likely you are also going to see the normal myshopify.com domain for your store. And then in my case, I do have some other manually added domains available. I do have so many domains because I did this in some tutorials of mine. But either way, you probably are going to see your domain right here. Now, basically there are a lot of different ways and a lot of different errors when it comes to DNS or basically domains in general. The most common error, however, is that you guys just need to wait some time. The typical DNS update time is between 24 and 48 hours. So if you have just now manually added your domain, this will probably just take some time. However, usually this is just going to take, 30 minutes or sometimes even less. However, if there are some additional errors on your domain, like for example I do have for this krausecompany.online domain, you will just have to actually select that exact domain and then you are going to see the error message right here. And by default Shopify is actually going to right away give you a fix for this. In this case they say that this has too many A records. However, this doesn't have to be true 100% all of the time, because for this krausecompany.online domain right here, let's quickly open up this in Namecheap. This is my domain right here. As you can see, this has the correct A record connected to this with the correct value, as you can see right here. However, the actual reason why this isn't going to work is because this domain right here does have a separate URL redirect record, which is going to interfere with all of the other records. So in this case, I would then just have to delete this record so that this domain is going to work. And basically the first thing that I would recommend you to do is always just check your domain, just click on it, check the DNS settings and make sure that you are going to see the same exact DNS settings that you can see on screen right here. Additionally, at the end of this video, I will also link you all of the different tutorials on how to actually connect a domain manually with all of the different hosting providers. So make sure to just watch till the end to get access to those videos. Now, alternatively, actually with Shopify, you are also going to have to assign the correct domain hierarchy, I guess. So if you, for example, do want to say that this krauseecom.com domain right here should be the actual domain that is going to be displayed on your site, then you would just have to select that domain and then change the domain type to primary domain so that this is going to be displayed in the address bar when visitors are going to browse your online store. Either way, the most common error is going to be that you haven't set up your records correctly, so I will simply just leave you all of the videos on screen right now and make sure to just click on the video that is going to be for your domain provider.